Then who the hell did you talk to?
Falling through space again. Your voice pulls me deeper. Can't reach the surface now. In this endless night, time slips between my fingers like watercolors. Can't tell if I'm drowning or flying. Reality slowly dying.
This is Harris. We have a problem.
Good evening. Tonight, we return to a phenomenon that just won't go away. The hum, an unexplained, low-frequency sound that continues to be reported across the world. Some are dismissing it as a natural event, claiming it's an undiscovered geological process. But in the last 6 months, only one thing has changed. It's getting louder. This video was taken 2 nights ago in rural Montana, but similar reports are surfacing in South America, Europe, the Middle East, Africa. Just this week, we started seeing them right here in Portland. Here's where things get interesting. Multiple sources, including former intelligence officials, have been saying in the press that someone is tracking this phenomenon. Not studying it, tracking. Satellite anomalies, unmarked vans in affected areas, sudden outages in geosynchronous monitoring stations. These things are not coincidences. So the question remains, this is just a natural phenomenon. Why does it keep happening? Okay, listen. I have spent decades covering military whistleblowers, classified projects, and all those stories that get buried before the public ever even hears about them. And when the official explanation just sounds too simple, too tidy, like this, that's when I start paying attention. So I leave you with this tonight. If no one is in control of this thing, why are they so afraid of us talking about it?
Great. Hope this isn't another screw up.
Sitting here where I always sit, coffee black just like my thoughts. Something about tonight feels different than before. The jukebox plays an old familiar tune, my song from '62.
Oh, I gotta stop eating those gas station burritos.
Weirdest code word yet, right?
Yeah, I guess.
You know, this hum that they're all up in arms about, it's moving faster than they thought.
The what?
You aren't hearing it yet? How are you part of this project and haven't been affected by it yet? Half the GATE program staff is either unalived or institutionalized.
Actually, I'm a Lee Strasberg. What'd they tell you? No?
We've been tracking this thing for years, but we can't control it. I think there's another covert op out there trying to obtain the source up as well.
These damn covert missions always get in the way, right?
If you are GATE staff, be careful. No. They're attracted to your kind, not in a good way. Here, this field.
Okay.
Get out of here.
You were a no-show, Harris.
What the hell are you talking about? I was there. I met the guy.
You sent that.
I did. I sat next to him. We talked. He said the code. I responded.
Then who the hell did you talk to?
Falling through space again. Your voice pulls me deep.